Hello, we are delighted you've chosen to take a trial lesson with Allright. We will now explain how the lesson will proceed, what your child can expect, and how to prepare. Let's get started. In the trial lesson, your child will be fully immersed in the language environment, with all communication in English. Statistics show that this method boosts progress by 35%. Don't worry if your child doesn't immediately adapt to communicating solely in English. Thanks to our experienced teachers, your child will quickly become comfortable with the language after 2 or 3 lessons. A built-in translator will also make the lesson more accessible. We welcome parents to attend the trial lesson with their child for support. At the end of the lesson, you will receive feedback and recommendations. An interactive Allright lesson includes games, a variety of exercises, over 30 types available on our platform, drawing, quests, and puzzles. This approach keeps your child interested and helps them learn quickly. Make sure you have completed all the necessary preparation steps on the platform. This will help us tailor the lesson individually for your child. For the best experience, we recommend using a computer, laptop, or tablet during the lesson. If you want to join the lesson on a tablet, download the Allright app from the App Store or Google Play. You can access your trial lesson from your personal account 30 minutes before the lesson starts. The time during the lesson will fly by, and your child's knowledge of English will last for many years. Take your child on an exciting journey of learning with Allright.